Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. Today, we will be looking at the Present Live feature in PowerPoint. Using this feature, you can present your PowerPoint to anyone who has internet access. Allow them to zoom in, screenshot, and even interact in real time. All you got to do is share your QR code or a short link. Viewers can actually join the live presentation, follow along with live subtitles in 60 different languages. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this feature. So here I am in my online version of my PowerPoint. I simply created three simple slides just to demo how the present live feature looks like. So once you have created, all you have to do is click on your slideshow, and here you have the present live feature. When you click on it, it will actually ask you, do you want to share it only with the people in your organization? That is, they have to sign in if you do so, or do you want to share it with anyone? I'm going to go ahead and click anyone for now, and I'm going to say present live. And as soon as I say that, this window kind of pops up with my QR code and my link right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my different devices to log in so you can see what's going on. So here I am on my Android device. I'm just going to simply turn on my camera, scan it, and I am inside the presentation. But before I go ahead, I'm simply going to go ahead and change my language to, let's say, Korean. There you go. So now my language is in Korean. Now I'm going to pause this video, go back into my iPad and log into the iPad using the same QR code. So here I am in my iPad. I'm simply going to go ahead and change the language to, let's say, Spanish. And now I'm going to go ahead and present. So now that I logged into both my sessions, I'm going to go ahead and present live. It says your session is live. You have 2 people joined. And as I speak, it's actually translating into different languages in my iPad and on my Android device. And as you can see, throughout my presentation, I will have a link all the way up here. So if anybody joined late, they can actually click on the link and follow me along. I'm going to go ahead and click on the other one. I'm going to say present live feature, the ability to translate into various languages, and there ends my presentation. And once my presentation ends, it's definitely going to ask you to rate it. So I really enjoy this feature. I hope you do too. This is actually a blessing when you want to present this to your ESL students or parents, and they can actually follow you in their own language. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below, and happy teaching.